Hello everyone, this is Movement Learning Academy, and today we will be doing some questions from the 2023 Math State Exam for 3rd grade. So let's get started. For question 1, it says, what factor makes the equation below true? So we have 8 times blank equals 72. What we have to do here is use a fact family, and a fact family that you can use is 72 divided by 8 equals what? Well, 72 divided by 8 equals 9, so we know that 9 belongs in the blank, meaning D is the correct answer for this problem. Let's move on to the next question. For question 2, it says the figure shown below is made of unit squares. What is the area in square units of the figure? So first we need to count the number of rows and columns. There are 9 full columns and 4 rows, and you need to multiply 4 times 9, and that gives you 36. But there's also an extra 3 square units, so you have to do 36 plus 3 equals 39, and that gives you D as the correct answer for question 2. And also look at the key, because sometimes they can trick you into thinking that one square equals 1 square unit, when 1 square actually equals like 5 square units, for example. So just keep that in mind. Let's move on to the next question. For the third question, we have point R is shown on the number line below. Which two fractions are equivalent to the value represented by point R? So we can tell that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tick marks in total from 0 to 1, meaning that each tick mark represents 1/8, and R is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th tick mark, meaning R represents 6 out of 8, and an equivalent fraction to 6 out of 8 is 3/4 because you have to divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So that gives you D as the correct answer for question 5. Let's move on to the next question. For question 6, it says Madeline has exactly 7 coins in a bag. Each coin has a mass of 5 grams. What is the total mass in grams of all of the coins in Madeline's bag? So in this question, you have 7 coins in one bag, and if each coin has a mass of 5 grams, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. Sorry if they're unequal. That's my bag, but you can tell that each coin has the same mass. And to find the total mass, you need to do 5 plus 5 plus 5 7 times. You have to do, until there are 7 fives, I mean. And that's equivalent to doing 7 times 5 equals 35. So C is the correct answer. I'm sorry for the lengthy explanation. This is for all you visual learners out there. So, yeah. Just if you have these kinds of problems, just try to draw out the question. Let's move on to the next question. For question 15, it says, a rule was used to create the number pattern shown below, blank, 9, blank, 21, and 27. What two numbers are missing from the pattern? So for this, just look at the two numbers that are actually next to each other, which are at the end. They're 21 and 27. And you can guess that the pattern is to add 6 based on these two numbers. So try to do that for the rest of the pattern. 21 minus 6, 15. 15 minus 6, 9. Since the numbers match up, then you can tell that adding 6 is the pattern. And then 9 minus 6 is 3. So the missing numbers are 3 and 15. So that's answer choice B. Let's move on to the last question of this video. For question 16, it says which fraction is equivalent to 4/4? So what you have to do here is just divide 4/4 by the same number up and down. I mean, or for the numerator and denominator, if you want more fancy terms. And you are left with 2/2, since you divide both the numerator and denominator by 2. And that gives you answer choice B. And yeah. Alright everyone, I hope this video was useful, If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye!